Avoid the fatal mistake that rules 90% of exporting to China. Are you ready to conquer the Chinese market? Before you dive in, make sure you avoid the pitfalls that have caused many others dearly. Today I'm going to show you how to avoid the fatal mistake that rules 90% of export to China. Hello everyone, my name is Evan Wu, coming to you from Hong Kong. Living in the heart of this incredible city, I am in the center of the action and I understand the unique challenges and opportunities of this Chinese market. My goal is to share my knowledge and experience with you to help you succeed in exporting to China. Whether you are a small business looking to expand your reach or a large company wanting to enter this dynamic market, this video is for you. I will explain the basics of exporting to China and how to avoid common pitfalls. You will discover practical tips and proven strategy for success, covering essential tips from regulating research to working with local partners to adapting your marketing strategies. Imagine spending a month preparing your first batch of product for exporting to China. You have invested time, money, and a lot of effort. The day of shipment finally arrived and you have filled with excitement. But upon arrival as Chinese custom, your product are broke. Why? Because you failed to comply a minor labeling regulation. Your goods are quarantined, storage costs are skyrocketing, and your client cancelled the order. This nightmare could shatter your dream of entering the Chinese market. Navigating the Chinese market without a full understanding of local regulation is like trying to cross a sea without a complex. You risk getting lost or worse, sinking your business. But don't worry, I'm here to be your complex and guide you through this tumultuous water. Get ready to turn this potential dangerous market into a sea of infinite possibilities. Why is crucial understanding the Chinese regulation is essential for any business looking to export to China. The Chinese market is governed by a complex web of rules and standards designed to protect consumers and ensure product quality. Failing to comply with this regulation can lead to severe consequences such as delay, fines, or even rejection of your product at the border. It's not just about legal compliance, it's about building trust with your Chinese partner and customer. Proper regulating research can prevent costly mistakes and pave the way for a smoother entry into the market. Certain sectors are particularly strained when it comes to regulating compliance. Here are a couple of samples. First, food industry. The food industry is highly regulated in China to ensure the safety and quality of consumable products. Every food product entering the Chinese market must meet strict hygiene and safety standards. This includes everything from labeling, packaging to ingredient lists and all the other information. For instance, all food import must be accomplished by health certificate issued by the relevant authorities in the export countries. Additionally, China requires a detailed breakdown of all ingredients and additive used in food products. The electronic industry is another sector with regulating requirements. Product must comply with China Compulsory Certificate, also named as CCC standard, which covers safety and energy efficiency. Obtaining the CCC mark involves a series of tests and inspections that can be time-consuming and costly. Moreover, specific documents and certificates must be provided, such as test report from the laboratory and factories inspection report. Non-compliance can result in significant delay and additional expenses. To navigate the regulatory landscape successfully, considering the following practical tips. Consult official resources. Starting by consulting the official resources provided by the Chinese regulatory body. Websites like those of the Administration of Quality Supervision, Inspection and Quality, and the Certification and Accreditation Administration offer detailed guidelines and updates on regulatory requirements. These resources provide invaluable information on the latest standard and certification process, helping you to stay compliant with the current regulation. Hiring compliance experts can be a game changer for your export strategy. This professional possess in-depth knowledge of Chinese regulation and can guide you through the complexity of certification process. This can help you prepare the necessary documentation, contact with the regulatory authorities, and to ensure your product meet all the relevant standards. By leveraging their expertise, you can avoid the common pitfall and streamline your market entry. Forming partnership with local companies in China can provide significant advantages. Local partners have a deep understanding of regulatory environment and can offer practical insight and assistance. They can help you navigate the bureaucratic process, translate import documents, and communicate efficiently with local authorities. Additionally, Local partners can provide logistical support and help establish distribution center, make it easier for you to operate smoothly in the Chinese market. When exporting to China, it's crucial to work with logistic experts who understand the complexity of the market. Professionals like SINO Shipping can make the difference between a smooth entry and a logistical nightmare. They have the expertise to handle everything from custom clearance to navigating local regulation, ensuring that your product reaches the destination without unnecessary delay or complication. Establishing strong partnership with local logistic provider is important. This relationship can provide you a valuable insight and assistance in navigating the Chinese market. To build this partnership, start by researching reputable companies and reaching out to them for initial consultation. Attend trade show and networking events to meet potential partners in person. Effective communication and a clear understanding of mutual goals are the key to forming strong, lasting partnership. Let's take a look at a real-life case. One of our clients, a mid-sized international company, was struggling with the complexity of exporting to China. They faced numerous challenges, including regulatory compliance and shipping delays. By partnering with SINO Shipping, they were able to streamline their logistic process. SINO Shipping provided them expert guidance on regulating requirements, handle all the custom documentation, and ensure timely delivery of their products. This partnership not only saved them time and money, but also allowed them to focus growing their business in Chinese market. Understanding cultural nuances is vital when marketing to Chinese consumer. What resonates with Western audience may not have the same impact in China. For example, Chinese consumer often value traditional, family, and community, which should be reflected in your marketing message. Additionally, color symbolism plays a significant role in Chinese culture. Red is associated with good fortune, while white can signify boring. Tailor to your branding to align with this cultural preference can significantly enhance your appeal to the local market. Utilizing local platforms like WeChat, Alibaba, or Douyin, the Chinese version of TikTok, is crucial for reaching Chinese consumers. WeChat, for example, is more than just messaging app. It's a comprehensive platform that includes social media, e-commerce, and payment services. Establishing a presence of this platform allows you to engage directly to your target audience. Alibaba, Tmall, or Jingdong are the essential for e-commerce, offering vast reach and established trust among Chinese shoppers. Adapting your advertising campaign to fit the Chinese market is essential for success. This means not only translating your content into Mandarin, but also localizing it to fit the cultural norms and consumer behavior. Use local wisdom and references to resonate with the Chinese audience. Highlight aspects of your product that align with local value, such as quality, innovation, and social responsibilities. Additionally, leverage local influencers who can effectively communicate your brand message to their followers. Understanding the import process in China is essential for a smooth export process. When your goods arrive at Chinese customs, they must go through a detailed inspection process. This includes verifying all the documentation is complete and accurate, and ensuring that all the goods comply with the Chinese regulations. Custom officer will check the product specification, product, and labeling against the submit document. If everything is in order, the good will be clear for entry. However, any discrepancy can lead to delay, fine, or even rejection of your shipment. Exporting to China involves different costs and taxes that must be accounted for. These include import duties, value tax, and consumer tax. Import duties depends on the product specification and its country of origin. The VAT in China is generally 30% of most goods, while consumer tax can be varying depends on different kind of product. It's crucial to calculate these costs accurately to avoid unexpected expenses and ensure your price strategy remain competitive. To facilitate smooth import custom clearance, you need to prepare several key documents, such as commercial invoice. This should include detailed information about the goods, including description, quality, unit price, total value, and the term of sales. Second, packing list. Provide specific on the packing details, include weight, dimension, and the number of package. Third, bill of lading or area bill, a legal document issued by a carrier that details the shipment and serve a receipt for the goods. Fourth, certificate of origin, indicate the country where the goods are manufactured. This may require for determining the tariff rate. Fifth, import license. Certain goods require an import license issued by the Chinese authorities. Final, inspection certificate. For specific product, an inspection certificate from a relevant authorities may be required to verify quality and compliance. When exporting to China, you have three primary modes of transport to consider: air, sea, or land. Each mode has its own set of advantages and disadvantages. For example, air transport, fastest mode, ideal for high-value, low-volume goods or urgent shipment. However, this is the most expensive option. Sea transport, most cost-effective for large, bulky shipment and for non-urgent order. It takes longer time but is more economical for heavy loads. Land transport, used for good transport from neighborhood countries, is quickly and cost-effective but limited by geographical constraint and border regulation. The pros and cons of the different transport you will see here. To select the best transport method for your product, considering the following. First, nature of goods, perishable or high-value goods are better suited for air transport, while bulky, non-urgent items are ideal for sea transport. Second, budget. Air transport is more expensive but faster. If cost is a concern, sea transport is more economical. Third, urgency. If your shipment is time-sensitive, air transport is the best choice despite the higher cost. Final, destination. Considering the geographical location and accessibility of your destination, land transport is viable for neighborhood countries, while sea transport is ideal for distant market. Establishing a presence in China requires significant time and effort. Unlike some markets where quickly wins are possible, building a successful business in China involves a long-term commitment, from understanding local regulation and cultural nuances to establishing strong relationships with partners and customers. Each step takes time. It's not uncommon for business to spend several years before seeing sustainable return on their investment. Many companies have achieved a long-term success in China through persistency and strategic planning. For example, Apple took years to gain a strong foothold in the Chinese market, adapting its product and marketing strategy to meet local preferences. Similarly, Starbucks gradually built its brand by focusing on creating a unique coffee culture that resonates the Chinese consumer. This example highlights the importance of patience and the willingness to adapt to a local market condition. Patience and perseverance are crucial for any business looking for success in China. The market can be challenges with regulating hurdles, intense competition, and cultural difference. However, resilience in the face of these challenges can lead to a significant reward by staying committed to your long-term goals and continuous adapting your strategy based on the market feedback. You can overcome obstacles and build a successful presence in China. To summarize, we have covered a lot of ground on how to successfully export to China. Let's quickly recap the key points. First, understanding regulation is crucial to comply with the Chinese regulation to avoid costly mistakes and ensure smooth entry into the market. Second, work with logistical experts. Working with professionals like SINO Shipping can help navigating the complexity of shipping and customs. Third, adapt your marketing strategy, tailoring your marketing effort to fit Chinese culture nuances and utilizing local platforms like WeChat and Taobao are essential. 4. Managing logistics and customs. Be prepared with the right document. Understand the cost and tax involved and choose the most appropriate mode of transport for your shipment. 5. Be patient and persistent. Success in China requires time, effort, and resilience. Don't expect overnight results, but stay committed to your long-term goal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more export tips and strategy to help you succeed in the international market. Also, share this video to others who might benefit from this insight. For personalized assistance tailored to your specific needs, consider partner with SINO Shipping. Their expertise can help you streamline your export process and overcome the challenges of entering the Chinese market. Thank you for watching this video. Your support means a lot, and I'm grateful for your time and attention. If you enjoy this content, please give it a thumb up and subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future updates. Your engagement helps us to reach more people and provide value information to exporters like you. Remember, follow SINO, we are your shipping pro.